Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this video, I am going to discuss about an error. I will read the error message. Error ESLint Parsing error. Unexpected token. I got this error when I was working with the React project. I am using ESLint also in this React project. So I got this error. First, I will explain what is the reason for this error. If ESLint is not configured to handle the specific syntax or language you are using. For example, if we are using TypeScript in our React project, JSX or modern ES6 features, modern JavaScript features, it will throw this error. So we have to configure our ESLint in order to handle TypeScript, JSX or modern ES6 plus features. If you are developing your React.js project in JavaScript, first you have to install ESLint Parser. For the solution, first you have to install npm install save dev babel ESLint Parser. If you are developing React project using JavaScript. Second step, update your .eslint-rc or package.json ESLint configuration. You have to add this configuration settings inside your .eslint-rc file. It is available in the root directory of your project or package.json file. You can update your file with this content. In JavaScript React.js project, this error will be gone after this configuration. If you are using TypeScript, you have to install npm install save dev TypeScript ESLint Parser and update your ESLint-rc file with this value. So we have two different methods for JavaScript and TypeScript. Follow what is applicable for you. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.